This is truly incredible. In Pakistan, a company can manually create a spline despite the shortage of materials. If the spline breaks and there is no replacement available, they use scrap leaf springs for processing. Using a lathe, they can make an identical spline. The spline cracked because the steel wasn't annealed. The master decided to use a steel plate from a truck's leaf spring, heating it to a high temperature to soften it. Once heated to a dark red color, the steel's hardness was still too high, so the master used a hydraulic press to flatten it. After cooling, they marked the surface, cut it into a circle, and centered it on the lathe. Using a thread cutter, the master shaped the steel plate into a spline, making sure the outer diameter matched the original. Then, they drilled 5 drainage holes and reamed them for the correct size. The center hole was drilled for the threaded part of the spline, and after all holes were in place, the internal threads were cut with precision. Finally, the master used an angle grinder to separate the spline, tested it in a wrench, and confirmed it worked. How would you rate it out of 100?